Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove payment methods from PayPal. To remove payment methods from PayPal, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up the PayPal application from your app drawer, or you can also open the paypal.com website and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage either way, tap on the wallet option at the bottom right corner. You will see a list of your linked payment methods, for example banks or cards. I've previously added my card as a payment method. Once you find your payment method, simply press and hold it. This will then open up your payment information page. Tap on the remove button appearing at the bottom and tap on remove once again in the pop-up to confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your payment method from PayPal. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.